In this video, we'll examine the Arrange tab, which is full of helpful tools for organizing your diagrams. At the top, you'll find the options to control the order of your shapes. Let's say you have multiple shapes stacked on each other. You can use the bring forward or send backwards button to adjust their order step by step if you need to move one shape in front of or behind another. Or if you need to move one shape to the front or bring back, simply use to front or to back. This is going to be super helpful when you're working on complex diagrams that involve overlapping layers and need precise control over what is visible on top. Now, if your shapes feel scattered, let's tidy them up with the size tools. You can adjust the width and height of any shape or select constraint portions to resize without changing the overall form. The most important thing about this option is that you can adjust multiple shapes at once. So if you like to make all rectangles have a uniform size, this is the only way to achieve that. First, select all shapes you like to resize, then set the width and height. Need the shape to fit perfectly as text? Click the auto size icon and the shapes will snap to the ideal size. While you'll usually rely on the blue alignment guidelines for accuracy when positioning your shapes, but for absolute precision, use the position tool to place the shapes exactly where you want, down to the pixel. You can also rotate shapes precisely using the angle tool instead of eyeballing it with the mouse. Next, the flip options are simple. Flip any shape horizontally or vertically with one click, great for mirror elements. In the Align section, you can quickly line up your shapes horizontally or vertically. If your shapes have wandered off the grid, click Snap to Grid to bring everything back into perfect alignment. Now let's talk about grouping. When working with multiple shapes that need to stay together, just group them. This makes it easy to move or resize them as a single unit. And if you need to tweak an individual shape later, simply ungroup them. Lastly, lock and unlock. This feature is perfect for keeping your shapes locked so that nothing accidentally moves out of position. This is particularly handy for collaborating on diagrams with other users to ensure only the elements that should be edited are movable. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next Drawio Academy video where we'll be covering live collaboration.